Good day, everyone. I'm Miss Adele. I've been a hiring manager in different online and offline ESL companies since 2008. And yes, I am back with another video. For today, I'm going to talk about video or audio introduction that ESL companies are asking from the applicants. If you notice, all English online companies are entailing applicants to submit two prerequisites before the screening. The first one is the resume or the CV, and the second is audio or video introduction. These two are essential requirements which are needed before the company will call or consider you for your initial interview. Based from my experience, a lot of applicants failed before reaching the next hiring steps because of their audio or video introductions. This is a sad fact, but it's real. Before you plan what you're gonna say on your introduction or to minimize your failing rate so you'll given a chance to prove your worth for the next steps, I will talk about the crucial information about this matter so it will facilitate you for an excellent introduction. If you're ready, let's begin. Let's start up with the main reasons or purpose why the need for applicants to submit an audio or video introduction. Most applicants know that it will just be a plain introduction, no, for the hiring manager to know them better. So they focus more on the content, burning the midnight oil in making and memorizing their script. However, in reality, that's not the real reason and not the only thing that you have to consider. There are more important factors that you have to look into. So there are three main reasons that I'll be showing you, and based from these reasons are the guidelines which you can do to make your self introduction admirable. The first reason why companies require video introduction is to see your facial registration on cam or on video. Remember that this is an online teaching, so your main visual aid or your realia is your face. They want to see if your face is friendly, if you have a smiling face and not too serious, a kind and patient aura, not a very strict and scary one, a gullible and funny face, not so serious and stiff, no? And how you take full advantage of what you have, especially your hands, your eyes, and your voice. Therefore, in the execution of your video, you must smile all the way through. Make sure to use a pleasant and kind appearance on cam. Put on a subtle makeup when necessary, just to make a good register on your video. Make use of your hands and body to express some information you want to convey. Next reason is through your video, it would be easier for them to assess what program or courses you are suited to be either kids or adults. This is an initial assessment of the possible courses that match your personality later on when you're already on board. Light and pleasant faces are in demand for kids, while strict faces are good for adults, no? Especially for standardized exams such as IELTS, TOEFL, Cambridge exams, OPIC, and others. Also good for interview questions and business English. And lastly, video introductions are asked, no, for the checking of your pronunciation. Frankly speaking, this is actually the main reason for an audio or video introduction. This will decide if you will continue to the next step or it will end there. The hiring manager will listen to your clear articulation of words, proper assimilation and contractions no, in suitable places, correct intonation and word stress, and of course, the melody and the rhythm of words and sentences. So, what are my suggestions? Practice and practice because practice makes you perfect, right? Practice your pronunciation. Do lots and lots of muscle exercises. Train your muscles to speak properly. Speak clearly and slowly. If the company is looking for a kid teacher, don't speak too fast, but of course, not too slow. You articulate the words properly, no? Don't eat them. Don't be monotonous like a robot, but put some melody and rhythm into your words or sentences to make them appealing to the ears. And use intonation to give a deeper meaning no, of the basic words and to express your attitude or feeling about something. So, those are the relevant factors to consider to make sure your self introduction video will pass the screening. On my next video, I will be teaching you the essential information that you should include on your script for your video introduction. So, keep watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Good day.